In the name of Allah, the most gracious and merciful. On behalf of Pakistan International School Doha Qatar, I welcome you all for e-learning platform. Computer. Grade 8 Week 11. Day 1. Course outline for first term exam. Syllabus for first term final exam consists of 4 lessons. 2 lessons are completed already. Only 2 lessons left. Upcoming lessons is related to Dreamweaver software. All worksheets provided by Computer Department will be included in exam. Let's watch an introductory video. It will explain you about Dreamweaver, 5 reasons to start using it, an overview.
Hey there everyone, I'm Mr. Fred from GiveMeCoding.com, and in this video we're going to take a look at a software tool that I've been using for almost, 20 years. Actually, it is more than 20 years. Let's take a look. Okay, so the software tool that I'm talking about is known as Dreamweaver. Now, it has nothing to do with the song, but it does have a lot to do with building some of my own personal dreams. If you're going to be a coder, or if you want to be a software developer, one of the things that you're going to have to start to learn is how do you make a web page. A lot of people learn that underneath everything is HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Now, Hypertext Markup Language is not a programming language, but it is a way or a technology that we need to code and make a website. So there's tools out there that have been around for a long time that help us do that. Okay, the first reason I highly recommend using Dreamweaver to build your website or your web applications is when you go in and you begin to build your web page, the code editor is really, really good. It has color coding, which helps you see tags a special way. There's also a spell checker, which is always helpful. There's a syntax checker also, so as you're typing in your code, it'll verify to make sure you're typing or you're creating it correctly. It also has a collapsible feature, so as you write lines of code, you can expand it or contract it so that you could read it easy. So that's really helpful too. The other neat feature about it is the autocomplete. As you're typing in your code, the tool will start to anticipate what you're going to type in next, which also makes it easier to create your page. The second reason I recommend Dreamweaver as a great tool to build your websites and your web applications is it also has a live view. That allows you to see the page as you're building it and how it would be viewed in a browser, and you can edit it while it's in the live view. Some people like to develop things visually, some people like to go right into the code. Having these two options available make it a really, really powerful tool. The third reason that I highly recommend Dreamweaver is that it's a one-stop shop for everything. Well, almost everything. You can build your code, you can lay it out visually, and then when you're ready and you want to move your files from your workstation to a web server, it has a built-in FTP client which also helps you manage and organize all the files that you end up creating while you're building your website. So it stays right there in the tool. Okay, the fourth reason that I highly recommend Dreamweaver is it provides nice starting points. Whether you're a new developer or you've been doing it for a long time, sometimes it's great to have a starting point ready to go. These starting points come in a variety of categories, but most importantly, you can edit them and modify them. So they're there, all framed up and ready to go, and all you have to do is open it up and do your editing. The fifth reason that I highly recommend Dreamweaver is that it is always improving. Look, it's been around for over 20 years. That says a lot about a piece of software. If something has been around that long, it means that it's good. And I'm also saying this because I've used the tool, I continue to use the tool, and I look forward to the advancements that are coming. Okay, so those are my top 5 reasons for using Dreamweaver. If you have any questions about Dreamweaver, please feel free to message me or use the comments below and let me know if you are a Dreamweaver user. And if there's anything else I can do for you in the near future, please don't hesitate to reach out to me at fred@getmecoding.com. All right, take care everyone and happy coding.
Dear students, open your book. Page 160, Lesson 9, Introduction to Dreamweaver CS3. In this page you are going to understand the following terms. What is Dreamweaver? It is a WYSIWYG software for web designing. WYSIWYG. What it is. Abbreviation stand for what you see is and what you get. It means everything is in front of you. You need to click and use it. Unlike HTML coding in Dreamweaver, you need to use different tools. What is website? Website is the collection of related web pages. What is web server? Web server is a computer where you will upload your website. Now it's time for worksheet. Open worksheet and try to search answers in video lesson and course book. Thank you and have a nice day.